Hello friends, welcome back to my exam coaching classes once again. So today I have brought some of the very important questions for you selected from previous numerical ability question papers. So we will be solving those questions today. So before solving those questions, I would like to tell you thank you very much for watching my videos and thank you very much for your support. And I hope you all are doing well. Preparation for your competitive exams are going well. Okay, so we will be solving some of the important questions today. Let us go to the first question. Before that, students, if you have not subscribed for our channel My Exam Coaching, I request you kindly subscribe now so that whenever I upload new topics and new videos, you will definitely get the notification and you will be the first to receive that. So kindly subscribe now, please. Let us go to the first question, students. Okay, this is your first question. 34 by 19 into 38 by 51 divided by 32 by 18 is equal to question mark. We have to find out what will come out of these four options, what will come in place of the question mark. So let us solve it. Before solving, let us rewrite it. So 34 by 19 into 38 by 51. Now here you have division, students. Division 32 by 18. So what is the method? You can multiply it by 18 by 32. Here you have 32 by 18. This 32 by 18 we can make 18 by 32. Only thing, this division will become multiplication. So this division I am writing multiplication and 32 by 18 will become 18 by 32. Very important point. Now you can simplify it. How we will simplify 19 and 38? How many times? 2 times it will go. You can see 34 and 32. 34, 2 will go 17 times. In 32, 2 will go 16 times. Again 17 in 51, 3 times. Then 3 in 18, 6 times. So you got 2 in 16, 8 times. Again 2 here 3 times, here 2 4 times. So finally I got 3 by 4. So I got the answer 3 by 4. So which option? Option D is my correct option. So this is just a simplification. What is the important point we need to remember here is any number divided by a fraction, you can multiply that by reciprocal of that number, by the fraction. 32 by 18, what is the reciprocal? 18 by 32. So if you want to divide a number by 32 by 18, you can multiply that by 18 by 32. Very important point. Please note it. Then we'll go to the next question. So here is your next question. Okay, 26% of 450 minus question mark is equal to 12% of 150. So 26% of 450 minus some number will give you 12% of 150. We should know what is 26% of 450. From that number, you are subtracting a number so that you will get 12% of 150. So what is the option A, B, C, D? Out of this, what will come in place of this question mark? This is what we need to find out, students. So now, friends, we will take this side. 26% of 450 can be written as what? 26 by 100 into 450. 26% means 26 by 100 of will become multiplication. So 26 by 100 into 450 minus some number we don't know, that x I am taking. This will be equal to 12% of 150, that is 12 by 100 into 150. So now what I am doing, I am taking this x to that side and this term to this side. So I can write it as like this: 26 by 100 into 450 minus, I am taking this full term this side, that is 12 by 100 into 150 will be equal to this minus x. I am taking to that side, it will become x. So now you can cut this 0 and this 0, cut this 0, 0. 26, 10, 45. I can cut 5 2 times, here 5 9 times, here 2 13 times. So 13 into 9, 117. Here 5 10 times, 10 2 times, here 5 3 times, here 6 times 6 into 3 minus 18. 117 minus 18, I got 99. So 99 is my answer. So option C is my answer. So what we need to hear, students, simplification only. Questions are given and we need to find out what answer will come in place of the question mark. So you take this question mark to that side and take this number to this side and just simplify it. While simplifying, percentage will come in terms of divided by 100 and of will be multiplication. Of will be multiplication. So this way you can simplify it and find out the answer. The more you practice, then your speed will increase. So that what you need to do is, these are our concept building exercises. Okay, you will have a clear concept how to approach these questions. Once you clear your concept, take more and more questions and solve it so that you can increase your speed. Please note it. So here is your next question, students. 16 into 5 minus 5 into 4 minus 52 is equal to dash, that is a question mark, divided by 4. When you solve this side, that will be equal to which number divided by 4. This is what you have to find out. 16 into 5 minus 5 into 4 minus 52 is equal to a number divided by 4. Let us find out the left hand side. 16 into 5 is equal to what? 16 5s are 80 minus 5 into 4 we know 20 minus 52. So this will be equal to what? 80, 20 and 52, 72. 80 minus 72. Both of the numbers are 72. So minus 20 minus 52 minus 72. 80 minus 72. 80 minus 72 is 8. So 8 is equal to which number divided by 4? Which number divided by 4? 8 is equal to which number divided by 4? We know 8 is equal to 32 divided by 4, or you can say this division, when you bring it to this side, this 4 multiplied by 8. So 8 into 4 is equal to question mark. 8 4s are 32. So your answer will be 32. So out of this, option D will be your correct answer. Okay. So what we need to do is solve the numbers given and accordingly you have to place the question mark number. So from the options you got, it is 32. Please note it. Okay friends, let us go to the next question. So the next question is 2 by 7th of 4 by 1/5 of a number is equal to 336. 2 by 7 of 4 1/5 of question mark. So in place of question mark, you have to find out which option will come out of this so that you get the answer 336. So now let us take this question here. 2 by 7 of will become multiplication. 4 1/5. See, when I have 4 1/5, you know how to convert it into a improper fraction. This is a mixed fraction. So we have to convert that into a improper fraction. So 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So I can write it as 21 by 5. How to do this? 4 into 5, 20. 20 plus 1, 21 divided by 5 into again of a number. Which number we don't know. I am taking it as x. So this x, I'll get the answer 336. Okay. So now this 7 and 21 I can cut 3 times. So this will become 2 into 3. 6 by 5 x is equal to 336. So I can cut 6 and 336 how many times? In 30 5 times. In 36 6 times. Okay. So x by 5 is equal to 56. So I got x is equal to 56 into this 5. So how much? 56 into 5? 5 6 are 30. 25 plus 3, 28. 280. So my option B is the correct option. Okay, please note it. Okay students, so next question is here. 8899 minus 6644 minus 3322 is equal to a number minus 1122. So what will be the answer? So here we have 4 options also. I have not written the option. Let us write the option first. What are the options given to you? These all are taken from previous question papers. Okay. So I have the question paper here. Let us see what is the option. The options are 65, 75, 55, 85. 65, 75, 55, 85. These all are the options given to you students. So now let us see. here 8899 minus 6644 minus 3322. If this minus I will take to this side, students, this minus 1122 I am taking to this side, this minus will become plus. So plus 1122 will be equal to what? Question mark. So this is the question asked. So now you can say 88 minus 66, 8 minus 6, 2, 2 minus 3, minus 1, minus 1 plus 1, so the first digits gets 0. Now here 99 minus 44, 9 minus 4, 5, 5 minus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, so first one digit is 5. Again one more 9, 9 minus 4, minus 2 plus 2, again 5, so I got the answer 55. 55 is the correct answer. I hope you understood. 88, 66, 33 plus 1. So 88 minus 66, 22, 22 minus 33, minus 11 plus 11. So becomes 0. So last two digit, you can remove. 99 minus 44, 55. 55 minus 99 minus 44, 55. 55 minus 22 and plus 22. Minus 22 and plus 22 you can cancel here. So 99 minus 44 is 55. So the answer is 55. Very simple. Simplification. Okay. Kindly note it.